Hi guys, today I will teach you people how to make beat with your phone. In just your phone, a beat will sound like this or like this. Yes, with only your phone, but you guys know like you can't just open your phone like make the beat now. You understand? Only in bandlap mobile app you can make it in bandlap mobile app. It is very easy to make a quality beat in your phone with bandlap mobile app. It's very easy. Let me not waste much of your time, but I'm very excited about this. Let me get you guys through it. But first you have to download your bandlap app if you don't have. For people that have, let's get to it. This is the bandlap mobile app right here. Yes, you read now. You will enter. If you don't have, go and download it. I don't teach you how to download that. No problem with that. Yes, you will enter. But first, you have to get better phone inside there. So you get. You enter. You see this create button here. Studio, create your studio. Very easy. Oh, this bad app. You don't really know this thing. At an American, you open studio. This is very important. You see this slim bar. This is what we touch. If you want to make beats, first you get a like free instrumental to use there for free. This is for free. This is for free. Yes. Import a file. Touch browser symbol. Okay. Now since I am making an Afrobeat song and I'm an Afrobeat gender, so I type Afrobeat. Why not type Afrobeat? There will be plenty type of instrumentals I can use. Plenty type. You see, pay attention. This is the part now. No, I don't want me for this whiskey. Kind of whiskey type of Afrobeat. They find something like like party jam, you understand? This is too calm, it's too calm. Yeah, this is the right one. This is the right one. Okay, let's find a drum and a cymbal for starting like so that will move people. When you understand, I know you explain. I know what you explain, because I mean. Get the sound, but that's a right there. This is for like starting. Yeah. This is very that. Oh my god. That one is for starting. Yeah, but let me observe first. I want to make it perfect. This will take a lot of time, but for you. Let me just have this one. I'm looking for a bass, like a drum that will bish. This drum is kind of harsh, but let me observe. Let me check it. There's nothing. Nothing. The be like Burna Boy beat what you're making. Burna Boy type. Understand? Let me add this drum. This is the key for you. You can sing this app and you put your song to all platforms for you. We gotta go with this bro, for you. I'll show you the I said my video. So subscribe for more, like for more tips. So make beats. I will teach you now how to go at it together, but it will take a long time. I'm not going to talk too much. I'll show you now the way. That way, so now that way, now the hand. I just let any whiskey do, any whiskey type, any type when I want. I don't have to get down. Now see who's intelligent. We not pay for intelligence. Now, God guess. We don't guess any video anything in the life. That's why.